Stucco is being applied.
Now it's mine now.
Stucco is being applied, and inside we had to cover the beam up there because it didn't look even, so it ended up being covered. Here we have the bedroom. They put the hardy back in the shower, and we have the green drywall over here. So this is going to be the shower. Here's a sink. And here's a washer and dryer. It's gonna be pretty tall with the vaulted ceilings. Well, we passed inspection for the drywall, and that is complete. And we also passed inspection for the shower. So as far as I understand, the only thing left is final inspection when I get the certificate of occupancy. But for now, the garage is ready to roll. No more inspections. Next things are going to be all the finishing. The floor, the kitchen, the fixtures. Oh, and the electrical switches. And that's it. And the lights. They're supposed to have lights that can be turned so that they are facing straight down as opposed to facing at an angle. But that's it. That's what's going on. It's now the stretch to the finish line.